We are pleased to show you the 2019 Buick Cascada. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.6-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, sports suspension, remote engine start, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes, rollover protection system. Inside you'll find rear view camera, leather trim seats, heated steering wheel, cruise control, trip computer, power steering, cargo area light, retained accessory power, compass, rear floor mats. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.